Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably looking to take your Mailchimp email campaigns to the next level by adding a PDF file that your subscribers can easily access. Whether it's a brochure, a white paper, or a helpful guide, being able to share a PDF directly through your Mailchimp email can really boost your engagement and give your audience something valuable. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a clickable button to your campaign that opens up your PDF, making your emails not just informative but interactive too. Let's jump right in. Alright, starting off in Mailchimp, you'll want to head over to the design section of your email campaign. This is where all the magic happens in terms of creating the look and feel of your message. Take your time here. It's always a good idea to make sure your layout is clean and inviting, and that you know where you want your PDF link to appear. For most people, a call to action button near the top or just after a compelling introduction works well. Imagine you're guiding a reader through a story and now you want to hand them a special resource. Next, when you're ready to add your PDF, remember that Mailchimp doesn't let you attach files directly to emails, but there's a really handy workaround. You can simply add a button to your campaign which, when clicked, will take your readers straight to your PDF. Go ahead and use the button block in your design. Pick a text that's inviting like "Download our guide" or "View the PDF." Don't worry too much about the color or the font at this moment. You can tweak all that later to match your branding. Now, in order to connect that button to your PDF, you'll first need the link to the file itself. This is really important. You want to make sure your PDF is accessible for your readers, no matter what device they're using. Head back to your Mailchimp dashboard and find the Content section, which is where your uploaded files live. If you haven't uploaded your PDF yet, there's an easy upload button. Just drag your file in. Once it's uploaded, Mailchimp will display your PDF in the content area. Simply click on it and copy the URL that Mailchimp provides you. Think of this like you're copying the address to a secret tool you want to share with your subscribers. With that URL on your clipboard, go back to your email design and select the button you added earlier. In the settings for that button, you'll see a field where you can paste a link. This is where you paste the PDF link you copied. Now, when someone clicks your button, Mailchimp will redirect them seamlessly to your PDF file, ready to read or download depending on their device and browser settings. Almost there. Before you send your campaign out, it's always wise to double-check everything works as you expect. Click on Mailchimp's preview option to see your email as your audience would see it. Click the button you just created. This is your test run. If the PDF pops open in a new browser tab or starts to download, you've set it up perfectly. If not, give yourself a moment to walk back through the steps. Sometimes it's just a missed link or a quick fix. And that's all it takes. Your subscribers now have simple access to your PDF, making your newsletter more useful and dynamic. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Got any questions or want to share how you're using PDFs in your campaigns? Drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. And if you're up for more tips and tricks like this, be sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.